The PlayStation Portal's touchpad serves as a critical component for navigating menus and performing in-game actions. When it becomes unresponsive, users may experience difficulties with clicks or scrolling gestures. It enables navigation through interfaces and accurate gesture-based interactions. Several factors can lead to touchpad issues. These include software glitches, the buildup of dust or debris on the sensor, or underlying hardware defects in the touchpad module. Before attempting other fixes, verify that the device is running the latest firmware version. Access the System Settings menu and look for available updates to install. Perform a power cycle by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This can resolve temporary software conflicts affecting touchpad responsiveness. Gently clean the touchpad surface with a dry, lint-free microfiber cloth. This removes any dust or debris that may be obstructing sensor function. If basic troubleshooting steps prove ineffective, more advanced measures may be necessary. The PlayStation Portal includes a touchpad calibration setting accessible through the Accessories menu. Recalibrating the touchpad can reset its sensitivity thresholds and improve responsiveness. If the issue persists, particularly on early 2023 models, check if your device is eligible for Sony's recall program, addressing manufacturing defects in the touchpad module with free replacements available until October 2025. While disassembling the device for internal inspection might seem viable, it should be noted that it voids the manufacturer's warranty. If hardware failure is suspected and the device is out of warranty, third-party repair services or DIY repair kits from vendors like iFixit offer potential solutions, albeit with inherent risks. Community forums and online tutorials can provide guidance, but proceed with caution to avoid further damage. As a temporary workaround, connecting an external controller can bypass the touchpad issue entirely, especially for games requiring intensive input. However, ensure your controller is compatible with the PlayStation Portal.